Hey Rex,
Yes, sir.
been a long time, old friend.
It certainly has. I can feel the dust on my hard drives building up.
Well, how can you feel the dust? You don't have a body.
It's a figure of speech, sir.
That's fair.
What can I help you with?
Think we might need a new intro.
You mean like this one?
No, not quite that one.
I do love the 5-Minute Fridays intro. This one's got a really quirky feel to it.
I mean, I do love the old intros. Let's just show the logo, hey?
Delightful choice, sir. Rendering now.
Yeah, that's the one. Rex is back. We have a new studio. Let's get into it. I think my favorite part of the day is drinking coffee. I can go to sleep thinking about it. The fact that I can drink coffee the next day, just the absolute best part of the day. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. My name is Jordan T. Look at that, mystic. I am a mural artist, illustrator, content creator from Sydney, Australia, and I'm here to give you guys an update. All of you out there who've supported me for the past year YouTube channel, I wanted to give you an update on where we're at. So, as you saw in the title, not burying the lead, we've moved house. So, I haven't put out very much content lately. I have a lot of content. Don't you worry. We released a sketchbook tour next week. There's more sketchbook tours coming. I'm working on the sale of video. It's coming. I'm working on it. It's a big job. It's a big video. These process videos are so much fun to do, but I want to find another way to do extra, just little paintings and drawings and illustrations here and there, so there's more art process videos out there. But when I do these art process videos, I really want to just create the best thing that I can, and that takes time. The technology I possess is, let's say, a little bit slow. I want to be making real short film creative videos around the artwork that I do. I want to make evergreen content that lasts forever. You could find this in 5 years, this process video, and still get something out of it and still really enjoy the process and the artwork that's being made. So despite that, this is a very quick update. I've been spending most of my time, I'm really right now focusing on organizing my painting space and my area so that it is set up in the best possible way, ADHD friendly. I will give you guys a tour of that once that is ready. Look, I just wanted to take a moment to say that I appreciate every single one of you that watches these videos. And I also appreciate that wherever you can, all of you guys input your comments. I see every single comment. If I don't get back to your comments immediately, it's because I'm doing my best to stay on top of everything. Right now, I'm a one-man crew. I'm looking to change that as soon as possible. However, for those of you out there, I just wanted to say, especially my neurodivergents, I want you guys to know that it's okay if you don't get your work done in the deadline that you thought it would. I had major goals for the start of this year, and the universe just decided there was better things I needed to spend my time on. I've been isolated for some time, like we all have, just working on growth and where to go next for this YouTube channel. And in my business, I've been working really hard on what it is I'd like to put out into the world, and will it make some sort of change in somebody's life? And I believe that the content that we've put together recently has been exactly that. I don't think I've put a piece of content out that I didn't feel would help not only my brand, but those of you out there who consume these videos and who watch every single one of them when they come out. It can be very difficult to make this content when we put a lot of effort in as content creators here on YouTube. In the first few years, there's not much coming back. You're kind of a slave to the algorithm. This is sort of the beginning of season 2. I've already really started season 2 this year, but I wanted to make an official announcement. Now that it's going to look a little bit different from a visual standpoint, I want to start to upgrade gear and really take season 2 to the next level. And that began with the short film, the denim jacket process video. That is where the reincarnated art begins. and it's only going up from here. I'm just really excited for you guys to see what I've been working on. Something that I wanted to give back. As you may have seen in some of my recent videos, I now have an ADHD artist course and membership that has been produced over the last year and has been all of the knowledge I have obtained over my adult life in one place. This membership is the perfect place for me to put my knowledge and to give back to all of my easily distracted artists out there consistently. It's something I always wanted and needed growing up as an artist with ADHD, and I'm so glad to be the person that can give that to you. So if you're looking to support Jordan T. Mystic and everything we do here, this membership is the best place we can go. All I wanted to do today was let you know what we're doing from here on out. It's a new financial year, which means to me, it's a new start. There's a new place here to put all of the stress and struggle of what the world has been like recently. I just wanted to align with who I am, the best person I can be, and put that here on YouTube and into this space. However, hey Rex.
Yes, sir.
Can you please play me something hopeful?
Absolutely, sir. Scanning through the archives now. Say when, sir.
That's the spot.
No worries, sir.
I've also been working on adding a little bit of something into the videos for you guys to play along with. In season 2, there's going to be an ongoing mystery, and that's going to be built into most, if not all, of the videos, culminating to a very exciting end. But more on that later. Should I change the way that I finish
Well,
these
you
videos?
know what they say. If it ain't broke.
Yeah, no, I thought so. Okay, well that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This was just a quick little video to let you know where we're going from here, to introduce you to season 2. So thank you. I'm not going anywhere. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jordan P. Mystic. I love you. All the love, all the power. Got that one from Wim Hof. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Stay weird. See you in the next one. Bye. Just so you know, you are beautiful. Just the way you are. Go make something cool today, guys. See you soon.